Oh, I'm so sorry for the last video. I didn't notice until I was about to finish that it had like a black square in some parts, sometimes here, sometimes here. Oh, that was a terrible mistake on my part. I'm sorry for that. I had no chance to make the correction, so please forgive me for that. And we're going to start this new part. This is going to be a short video. I think it's going to be very easy for you. First of all, I need you to take out your notebook and copy this. I'm going to leave it on screen. Please pause it and then copy the parts of the book. Okay, I will wait for you. Open your notebook and copy everything, even the drawings. Okay, I'm going to wait for you. I'm going to pause it, and then we're going to start to talk about the parts of the book. Parts of a book. I'm naming that because we have some parts that we need to understand and know how they are called. First of all, this is the cover of the book. So here we go. First of all, we need to identify a couple of parts. The title. What is the title? The title is the name of the book, the name of the story, the name of the song, the name, like your name. When I ask you what's your name, you say, my name is Francisco, my name is Juani. Well, the title is the name of the book, and it's pretty much the same as in Spanish. In Spanish is a word that it looks very similar to this one. The title of this book is The Lonely Scarecrow. The Lonely Scarecrow. Then we have the word outer. Outer. What is outer? It's pretty much the same as in Spanish, but without the H. Outer. In this case, Tom Smith. That is the outer. Now the illustrator. Illustrator. In this case, the name of the illustrator is Mary Smith. Mary Smith. Mary Smith. Illustrated by Mary Smith. Those three parts goes on the cover. On the cover. We call that portada. Cover. The other part is the back cover. Back cover, contraportada. And also there's this word, the spine of the book. The spine of the book. Hey, I'm going to show you one of the books that I used to read to my kids when they were, well, kids. Now they both are adults, so I don't read that anymore to them. But I'm going to show it. I'm going to show it to you. Well, this is the book that my kids used to read when I was when they were really small, when they were kids. As I said before, now they are adults. The name of the book is Mystery in Bugtown. Mystery in Bugtown. Okay. That was really small, so I need to show that to you again. Mystery in Bugtown. Now, this is the name of the story. This is the name of the book. Look, the eyes move. I'm not sure if you can see it. And I'm not sure if you will be able to see it, but here we have the name of the author, written by and illustrated by. Written by Willem Bonder, and the illustrations are by Jim Harris. Let me tell you, the letters are so small, the font is so small that I can read it. Let me check that. So, inside the book, there's the name of them. Written by William Boniface, illustrated by Jim Harris. Here we have them. Somewhere over this part. Here we have them. I am actually watching you through these two eyes. Okay? size. So this is the cover. And this is the back cover. Back cover. And in the middle we have the spine. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to read it, but here we have the name of the author, Boniface, and the illustrator. Illustrator, Harris, author, Boniface. And if I open that, I'm going to have something like this, okay? Oh my God, it's falling apart. Here I have the cover, the back cover, and in the middle I have the spine. Also, I have to say that the important part here is for you to understand the words. So please allow me to insist. Please copy all these words: title, author, illustrator, front cover, spine, back cover. What does the illustrator? What does he do? Or what does she do? Well, easy. Well, the illustrator does the drawings, the illustrations. Here we have another example. Let's look at the title of this book. Let's read it together. Adventures of the Little Green Dragon. The Adventures of the Little Green Dragon. That's the name of this book. Written by Mary Pribet Ulmer. The name of the author. Who's the author? Mary Pribet Ulmer. It's not by. This is something that it's called preposition or something like that. Well, I'm not sure. But anyway, the thing is that the author is Mary Pribet Ulmer. The illustrator, Mary Mass. Pronunciation of names. Probably we are not pronouncing them correctly. Remember that these are names, and because they probably are from different countries, probably we will not know how to say them correctly. But we should be able to identify who is doing what. In this case, we have the drawing of this dragon. Somebody asked me in class, hey, what is that is coming out of the nose of the dragon? Well, it's a smoke, humo. ¿Qué es lo que sale de la nariz del dragón? Somebody asked me, alguien me preguntó. Well, smoke, humo. The dragons breathe fire. Acuérdense que los dragones lanzan fuego. So he's in bed, and look, he has like a hat. Here he has a hat. He has a beautiful bed. Its tail. Here is its tail. Green dragon. What is the color of the character? Green. What is its color? Green. We need to know the colors, okay? Let's go to the next book. What is the name of this book? Who can tell me that? What is the title of the book? The title. Perfect. The Girl Who Lives in the Sky. That is the title of the book. The title. And we can see a girl, a blonde girl, laying on the grass. It's a rainbow over here. And we can see that there is a girl that is living in the sky. She's living on a cloud with a lot of birds. Who is the author of this book? Well, this person, Jody Carlson, written, escrito por Jody Carlson. Who is the illustrator? Illustrated by Vanessa Alexandre. Okay? Writer, illustrator. What about this one here? The Fearless Octopus. The Fearless Octopus. Written by Charlotte Christie, illustrated by Marcela Quadron. In this case, how is the octopus? ¿Cómo es el pulpo? fearless. No tiene miedo, es temerario. The fearless octopus. And here we can see that he is living under the sea. And here we have 3 classic children's books. The first on the left, the name of the author. What is the name of the author here? Well, if you say that the author is Roald Dahl, you are correct. This is the name of the author. What is the name of the book? What is the title? This is the title. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Illustrated by, who is the illustrator? Quentin Blake. Quentin Blake. Quentin Blake. Quentin Blake. Okay, now look, it says illustrated by. What about the second one? Look, the illustrator says here, instead of illustration, says pictures, dibujos, by Garth Williams. The name of the illustrator, Garth Williams. Who is the author here? Who is the author of this book? Who wrote that? Here's the name, E.B. White. E.B. White. That's the author. And what is the title of the book? Charlotte's Web. That is the name of that, and that's so is the name of this character, this little spider. That's her name, Charlotte. Well, in the last book, what is the title of the book? There you go, this is the title. Eloise. That's the name of the book, the title. And who is the author? Here is the name, Kate Thompson. Not Thompson's. This is not part of the name. This says that this book was written by her, Kate Thompson. And who is the illustrator? Well, in this case, it says the word drawings, dibujos by Hilary Knight. Hilary Knight. Very good. So, I hope that you are able to understand that, and I want you to memorize these words. Remember them. Title, author, illustrator, front cover, back cover, spine. I'm going to give you an assignment to complete, okay? I want you to please copy these 3 examples and give me the answers. The first one. What is the title of this book? Who is the author? Who is the illustrator? It says here, Apple Juice, written by Tom, pictures by Kate. Now the second one. What is the title? Who is the author? Who is the illustrator? And finally, this one here. What is the title? Who is the author? Who is the illustrator? I'm going to put this here on screen, and I will give you a couple of seconds so you can pause it. Please pause it and copy the examples. I will send this to you, so if you want to print that and then paste it in your notebook, inside your notebook, that's perfectly fine, okay? So thank you very much. Hey, I actually can say something here. What is this book about? Who is the main character? Well, my sister probably. What is this about? ¿De qué se trata? You have the title, so you can guess. Again, copy this. I'm going to give you 10 seconds and then I'm going to say goodbye. Pause it and copy it. Well, I think that's all. Have a very nice day and keep the hard work, okay? Bye-bye.